Hello everyone, welcome to V6 Translation. This is an onboarding video where we will learn how to access Loft 2.0 platform and start your transcription work. So step 1, you have to click here in your Chrome browser. So when you open your Chrome window, you will click here and you have to go to New Incognito window. Here you can see the New Incognito window button where my cursor is. You click here. Then this sort of window will open in front of you. After that, you have to go to this URL. This URL will be given to you by your project manager when you will be given a new task. After you go to this URL, you will see a page like this open. Your project manager will also give you a user ID and a password for different tasks. So I am taking this user ID as a sample to show you how to access the platform. So I'll paste the user ID and then I'll go on next. After that, I'll again copy the password and I will paste it and go on next. So when I click on next, I will see a page like this open. When you get a page like this, you can see my cursor. Here it is written parking lot. So first what you have to do is you have to click on this parking lot. Once you click on this parking lot, you will get a page like this. In this page you have to click on this question ID that you see here. Once you click here, you will have an option to here present written as open parked question. So you have to click on this open parked question here. Once you click on open parked question, the window will take some time to load. So let's wait for 5 to 10 seconds. It depends on the speed of your computer and the capacity of RAM in your laptop or computer. Remember that you cannot access Loft 2.0 platform from any other device except from a laptop or a personal computer. So as you can see, the task has been loaded properly. So here is a glider which you can use to lift this window up or down. So for my convenience, I will put it up here. Now as you can see, these parts in which the task is divided, these are known as segments. These will be automatically done for you. You only have to click on them and listen to the audio and type whatever you hear. You can also play the audio from here and you can use this to reduce the speed of the audio so that you can listen to what the audio is being said properly and clearly and type the transcription here. So let's say in this first segment of audio, when I play this, I listen that the audio says welcome to V6. So I wrote whatever I heard. This is just a sample. The audio could have been something different as well. I'm just writing this for a simple example. So after I have typed whatever the audio said, I have to click on the save button. After you click on the save button, you will see here the window is getting saved. Once it is saved, you will see that it has been saved properly. And then you can go to the next segment, listen to the audio and again type. Remember, after every segment you have to click this save button once and then only you can move to the next segment. Like this, when you go down, you will go up to the end of the task. Here it is 30-minute task. So there will be segments up to 30 minutes. So you have to go till there and then your transcription work for this task will be complete. And if in the between you want to leave and go and come back again later, you can click on cross here and you can close the window and again follow the same login process to come up to here. Remember, before closing, you should save all the work that you have done so that it is not lost. Also, sometimes you may not see the save button present here. So in that case, you can refresh the page, which I will do once here and show you. So if your work is saved, when you refresh the page, you can see that present here. So in case you don't see the save button, or in case you want to leave in between, you want to close the window and come back and do your work again later, you can refresh the page and see how much of your work is completed and how much of your work is still left. So again it will take some time to load, and once it is loaded, if you come and see, whatever I had typed is still present here. This means my work has been saved properly. So this is what you have to do for all the segments. And at the end, remember, once you complete everything, inform your project manager that you have completed the task. Don't press the skip or submit button ever. This is not for your use. So don't press on this. Once a task is given to you, you open the task, take the question from parking lot, and you do the transcription work here and save after each segment. And once you reach the end of the task and you have written in all the segments and you refresh the page and saw that all your work is saved here, you inform the project manager that you have completed the task. Thank you. That's all for this tutorial. Happy transcribing.